Hello everybody, how are you guys today? Today the little project is going to be putting stealth strip on our 4th arrow camera arm. We don't want that sound out in the woods. So I ordered a couple strips from Stealth Outdoors. These strips were, 4 inches wide, right here. 4 wide by 24 long. I got 2 strips of it, and that was 12 bucks for the 2 of them. Not too bad. And we're going to apply it to this bar here, and we'll apply it to this other bar right here also. That will get rid of that sound. We may even cut a couple circles to put on top just to make sure we're not going to have any metal that could be hit by something and make a sound while we're in the woods. So I will show you how to put this stealth strip on as soon as we get back. Okay, I'm going to speed this process up for you. So basically I'm just laying out the stealth strip, figure out approximately where I need to cut it. Nothing on this has to be exact. We're just trying to break up a black object, silhouette it, and then also applying this stealth strip will keep the sound down. If anything were to hit this metal, it's going to deaden that sound. And as many people have said, if it's cold outside, it makes it a little easier. Here I'm bending it back and putting a little crease, so I just follow my thumb along this and keep going around. Now I've switched to my fingers, just kind of pushing it up. Just keep this process going all the way through. We'll do this one on this arm and the other arm. Now I'm going to switch over to the base part of it. I had already put it around the outside edge. Now I'm going to put it on the front. This is something that anybody looking up would see, any deer. Not that they're really going to pay attention, but you never know. Plus it deadens the sound if something were to bang up against it. If I was reaching over there, hit it with my release or something. Just traced it out, cut out the circle, fold it in half to cut out that middle section. And then we'll just peel off the paper. And we will apply that to the top. And then we'll use that little piece that we took out of the center and just put it on the knob. Just kind of break it up a little bit. And we're done with the base. All right, so we are finished with the little stealth strip project. My face is a little red. I was just outside doing the snow blowing. We actually had a good storm here in Wisconsin. Just got 8 inches of snow. So we ended up, I started showing you how I stealth stripped the main beam. Same thing was going on with this beam here. I just cut a couple pieces here. Got a little strips that I wrapped around the ends. I hit anything that I thought something might fall onto. I don't think there's a reason to stealth strip this section. If I want to, I could. If I find out that I have a noise problem. And then right here, I just put a little strip there. And then on the main beam part, or the base, I painted this just to break up the shininess a little bit. Put a piece of stealth strip around this. And then stealth strip on the front, the little piece I cut out to put that bolt back in, I just stuck on the end. Kind of breaks it up a little bit. Cam over buckle in place of the ratchet strap. Cuts down on the weight and it's quiet. And then I put rubber on this part of the rod, so when it goes back in, you're not hearing that sound, and it still goes in the hole. So what's left over from what we started with? We had 2 4-inch strips, wide by 24 inches long. So we have this piece left over, and we got a couple small pieces left over. These you can put on any small area that you want to get rid of sound or deaden it. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you get notified of the next video. And guess what the next video is going to be? I just passed 100 subscribers. As of doing this right now, I'm at 105. So thank you very much if you subscribed. Tethered had sent me in error a regular Sys hauler. I contacted them. They're sending me my Sys hauler ES. I asked them if I could give this away since I just passed 100 subscribers, and they said absolutely. So next video, I am going to give this away to somebody. You have to be in the United States because I'm going to ship it to you at my cost. But I'm going to give this away to somebody. We're going to do a random draw. I will let you know when. will be within the next week. So hit that subscribe button so you see that video. But thanks Tethered for allowing me to give this away. And you guys have a great day. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. Bye-bye.